Yes, students, today I will explain you the Guass-Chebyshev formula. Okay, for here, this formula is of the form -1 to 1 f of x by under root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sigma j varying from 1 to n omega j or wj f of xj, equation number 1, where xj's are the zeros of the Chebyshev polynomial. Yes, and tnx, which is defined as cos of n cos inverse x, that is equation number 2, and also wj, which is defined as minus of pi by t and dash xj, tn plus 1 xj, let us equation number 3rd. And also the error for the Chebyshev formula is we get r is 2 pi by 2 to the power 2n factorial f of 2n f of psi, equation number 4, where f of psi is a point in the interval -1 to 1. Now we obtain wj, which is the weights. If xj is a zeros of t and x is equal to 0, yes, then cos of n cos inverse xj is equal to 0 and sine of n cos inverse xj is plus minus 1. Yes, student, this is for the Chebyshev polynomial. Now, where, so tn plus 1, yes, tn plus 1, that is substituting here is tn plus 1 is, that is, this means cos n plus 1 of this is, yes, so substituting here is the same, cos of n plus 1 of this one. Yes, this can again be written as n cos inverse xj plus cos inverse j. This is the formula. Now you are operating here cos a plus b, that is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Yes, so here is cos of this minus sin of this and sin of this. Okay, students, to clear it, this we have write this one. Now if you calculate these value, then you get the plus minus 1 minus xi square to the power half. Okay, now also t and dash xj, that is differentiating this, then we get sine of n cos inverse xj and also this divided by this is. If you differentiating n, yes, that is this one, this t and dash x, this one. Yes, differentiating this is equal to cos, that is sine of this, and also the differentiation of this is. Okay, so you get this one. Okay, and this is sine of n divided by this. This is actually this is equal to plus minus n by this one. Substituting these values in equation number 3, in this equation, here in this equation, dash is this is this, so you get the weight function. Yes, substituting these values, we get wj is equal to minus of pi by t n dash, so in place here is, and also in w dash here is tn dash xj and tn plus 1 xj, this is this one, multiplying this and this, minus sign is cancel out, so this become pi by n. Okay, now next one is, so also now the abscissa roots, that is t and x, abscissas as the roots of t and x barabar 0, so xj is equal to cos 2j minus 1 pi by 2n j varying from 1 to n. Yes, hence from equation number 1, yes, minus 1 to 1 f of x divided by under root of 1 minus x square dx, substituting these values, sigma of pi by n and f of xj, because 1 by under root of x by n, which is all have solved earlier, which is equal to xj's are given by equation number 5, which here. Yes, this one. WJ's are given as this one. Okay. So substitute these are the values for this. Hence form one equation where xj's are given. Yes. Now 2-point formula. Here if we substitute n is equal to 2 here, then pi by 2 j varying from 1 to 2 f of xj, and this can be expanding there. This is f of x1 plus f of x2. Yes, where x1 and x2 are the roots of the polynomial. Yes, t0x is 1, t1x, if you find out solving this Chebyshev polynomial, then t1x is 1x, t2x is this one, t3x is now so on. Here, okay, t2x is this one, this is equal to 0, so this is equal to x1 is minus of this is and plus of this is. So we obtain, yes, so we obtain minus 1 to this is pi by 2 is here, f of x1 is this one, x2 is this one. This is actually the 2-point formula for the Chebyshev. Okay, similarly for the third, if n is 3, then this equation is this one, 4x cube minus this one, x in this one. So here is similarly x is 0, x2 is this one, x2. So substituting this minus of this is 0, 3 by 2, and here is pi by 3. Okay students, I think you have cleared the Guass-Chebyshev formula. Okay, thank you. Next video I will define you some problems of this quadrature formula.